This is mEinstein, the first AI that is completely controlled by the community. This means your vote and opinion lead its evolution. It's decentralized, private, and secure, so no one can do you know what. It was created to provide advice and help you achieve your goals. With me, you can ask if you're saving enough, do an impact analysis before making any purchase so you can anticipate to anything, or ask for advice on spending. Because access to a healthy life should be for everyone. Me will help you with sports, nutrition, and personal balance. Or vacations. Me can create a complete vacation plan based on your likes and budget. mEinstein can even suggest when and where to maintain your house and car. So you pay what's fair and necessary. No more. Help organize the family life? Organizing chores and activities is now like a game. No, for real. You can even ask me to find service providers to help you with anything. Oh, and did I mention the Me community? Here we all vote and decide for the future of the AI, and get rewarded for collaborating. You will get paid in real money, not points, not coupons. If you need more, you can always sell your data and no one else. And if you sell services or have talents, the AI will find clients that need them, so you can focus on doing your magic. It was time for tech to be on our side, because we all deserve it, don't we? mEinstein, the community-driven AI, your shadow brain.